How to make money using ChatGPT. In the realm of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT has emerged as a powerful language model that enables human-like conversations. Beyond its potential as a conversational tool, ChatGPT offers exciting opportunities to monetize its capabilities and create income streams. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or freelancer, ChatGPT opens doors to new revenue streams and innovative business models. Understanding ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like responses in conversational contexts. It can engage in text-based conversations, offering information, advice, and assistance across various topics. By tapping into its extensive training data and vast knowledge base, ChatGPT demonstrates remarkable conversational abilities, making it an invaluable tool for businesses and individuals alike. Monetizing ChatGPT. AI-powered customer support. ChatGPT can be harnessed to enhance customer support experiences for businesses. By integrating ChatGPT into websites or chat platforms, businesses can offer automated customer support services that respond to customer queries in real time. This reduces the need for human agents to handle routine inquiries, streamlines support processes, and improves customer satisfaction. Offering AI-powered customer support as a service can create a monetizable opportunity, allowing businesses to generate revenue through subscription models or per-interaction fees. Virtual assistants and chatbot services. ChatGPT's conversational capabilities make it an ideal candidate for creating virtual assistants and chatbot services. Freelancers or businesses can develop customized virtual assistants that provide personalized support, answer FAQs, and assist with specific tasks or industries. These virtual assistants can be monetized by offering them as a service to businesses or through subscription models, generating passive income through ongoing assistance and support. Content creation and curation. ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like responses can be leveraged to create compelling and engaging content. Content creators can utilize ChatGPT to generate blog posts, social media captions, or email newsletters, streamlining content creation processes and saving time. By offering content creation and curation services, individuals can monetize their expertise in using ChatGPT to create high-quality content that resonates with audiences. Personalized recommender systems. AI-driven recommendation engines have become essential tools for businesses seeking to personalize user experiences. With ChatGPT's conversational abilities, individuals can create personalized recommender systems that offer tailored product or content recommendations to users. By developing and offering these recommender systems as a service, individuals can generate revenue through subscription models or commission-based partnerships. Language translation and localization. ChatGPT's multilingual capabilities make it a valuable tool for language translation and localization. Freelancers or language experts can offer translation services by utilizing ChatGPT's language model to assist in translating text or documents. This can be monetized by charging clients for translation services based on word count, complexity, or project scope. AI-enhanced education and tutoring. The integration of ChatGPT into online education platforms can revolutionize the way students learn and interact. By offering AI-enhanced tutoring services, educators or individuals with expertise in specific subjects can create personalized learning experiences. ChatGPT can assist students with answering questions, providing explanations, and offering study resources, allowing for customized and interactive learning. Monetization can be achieved through subscription models, per session fees, or course packages. ChatGPT-powered e-commerce solutions. E-commerce businesses can leverage ChatGPT to enhance customer experiences, boost sales, and drive conversions. ChatGPT can be integrated into e-commerce platforms to provide personalized product recommendations, answer customer queries, and offer real-time assistance. By optimizing the e-commerce journey through ChatGPT-powered solutions, businesses can increase customer engagement and generate revenue through increased sales and customer loyalty. AI-driven social media marketing. ChatGPT can revolutionize social media marketing strategies by generating engaging and relevant content for social media platforms. Content creators or marketing professionals can utilize ChatGPT to automate social media posts, captions, and responses, ensuring consistent and engaging content. By offering social media marketing services powered by ChatGPT, individuals can help businesses elevate their online presence and generate revenue through retainer-based contracts or campaign-based partnerships. Virtual event hosting and moderation. As the demand for virtual events continues to grow, ChatGPT can play a crucial role in hosting and moderating these events. Virtual event organizers can leverage ChatGPT to interact with attendees, answer questions, and facilitate discussions. By offering virtual event hosting and moderation services, individuals can monetize their expertise in creating engaging and interactive virtual experiences. AI-generated creative content. ChatGPT's language model can be used to generate creative content, including poetry, storytelling, and song lyrics. Writers, musicians, and artists can incorporate AI-generated content into their creative works or offer AI-generated content as a service. This unique blend of human creativity and AI-generated ideas can result in compelling and original artistic expressions. AI-driven market research and consumer insights. Businesses often rely on market research and consumer insights to inform their strategies. ChatGPT can assist in collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to generate valuable insights. Individuals with expertise in market research can offer AI-driven market research services, helping businesses gain a competitive edge and make data-driven decisions. AI-powered personal finance assistant. ChatGPT can be utilized as a personal finance assistant, providing guidance on budgeting, investment strategies, and financial planning. Individuals can create personalized finance chatbots that offer tailored advice based on users' financial goals and circumstances. By offering AI-powered personal finance assistant services, individuals can help others manage their finances more effectively while generating income. AI-enhanced health and wellness coaching. Health and wellness professionals can integrate ChatGPT into their coaching practices to provide personalized guidance and support. AI-powered chatbots can offer nutritional advice, workout routines, mindfulness exercises, and answer health-related questions. By leveraging ChatGPT's conversational abilities, individuals can create virtual coaching services that empower others to prioritize their well-being. ChatGPT represents a groundbreaking milestone in AI language models, opening doors to innovative business models and revenue streams. By leveraging its conversational abilities, businesses and individuals can unlock new opportunities for monetization across various industries. As you embark on the journey of making money using ChatGPT, it's essential to continually refine and enhance your offerings, adapt to evolving market demands, and stay updated with the latest advancements in AI technology. Building trust, delivering value, and providing exceptional customer experiences are key elements in establishing successful ventures using ChatGPT. The potential to make money using ChatGPT is limited only by your creativity and willingness to explore new avenues. Embrace the power of AI. Harness the capabilities of ChatGPT and seize the opportunities to monetize this revolutionary technology. The future of AI-driven conversations awaits, and with it, the potential for financial growth and entrepreneurial success. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.